Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, I'll show you how to find your wallet address on the Binance app. Whether you're adding crypto to your Binance account or receiving funds, knowing how to locate your wallet address is essential. Now, let's dive in. To get started, open the Binance app on your device. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the wallet icon. This will bring you to your wallet overview. Now, you'll want to find the specific cryptocurrency you're looking for. Scroll down to Assets, and next to it, you'll see a small magnifying glass icon. Tap on it to open the search bar. Type in the name or symbol of the cryptocurrency you need, for example, BTC for Bitcoin. Once you locate your cryptocurrency, tap on it. Then, select the deposit option. Here, Binance will ask you to choose the network for your deposit. It's crucial to select the correct network. For example, if you're depositing Bitcoin, ensure you're using the Bitcoin network. If someone is sending you crypto, confirm with them which network they're using. This avoids the risk of losing your funds. After selecting the network, you'll see your deposit screen. Here, you'll find your unique wallet address for the chosen cryptocurrency. You can either use the QR code to share your address, or tap the copy icon to copy the address to your clipboard. You can then send this address to the person transferring funds to you, or paste it into another exchange or wallet for a deposit. Remember, every cryptocurrency has a unique wallet address. If you need the address for a different coin, you'll need to repeat this process. Always double-check the network and wallet details before making any transaction. And that's how you find your wallet address on the Binance app. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.